What up, YouTube? Check it out, y'all. First video of the year here, of the new year. So I've been working on this custom gas bike that I've been working on. So I got me my new wheels that I just put on, new tires, new wheels, new tubes, cleaned out that fork. Definitely gonna need a new bar, new handlebar on there. Got me my new seat post on there. And right now I just got done installing the little freewheel here, the crank right there. I just gave it a little test run, 2 little test runs, and it's working good, y'all. The bike still doesn't have brakes, so it's a little sketchy going down this hill, but I just went ahead and turned into that little grassy area, slowed me down. And it's a little look at that gas frame, y'all. Bone stock right now. Just got me them new wheels on there. Check out them little tire valves right there, y'all. Custom. See, I can see it's been sitting for a minute. Got some dust on that thing. I just installed me this one, like I said. And it's working good, y'all. I'll try to give y'all a little view real quick. Start my phone up right here. You can see there it's working, y'all. Working as it should. Started going down that hill, y'all, so drove down. I didn't want to scratch up my shoes, but so I just went over there to a little patch of grass again. But yeah, y'all, that's what we're looking at right now. It's looking pretty good, honestly. Definitely gonna need brakes for sure, and a new handlebar. Probably gonna have to put a new I'll have to figure that out later, y'all. We don't want to jump ahead, but definitely a new handlebar. The handlebar's a little sketchy to me. And probably just go with more of just a regular BMX style handlebar. And some brakes. Figure out how to put me some disc brakes on here. Definitely go with some disc brakes. So yeah, y'all, we'll go and put it inside. Just a quick little test spin, and works pretty good, y'all. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.